All right, guys. Good day, everyone. I greet you all. So today is Wednesday, and I just took my first trade. It's been a long week. Didn't see any setup yesterday, and today I just see a good setup. So I'll be taking you guys now to my charts to show you guys the trade. So I saw the setup on good. It's a good buy. So let me just take you guys to the chart so I can show you guys the trade. All right, so this is the trade. Good buy. So I was supposed to take this trade from here, but I was waiting for confirmation. That is why I'm taking this trade from this zone, this POI from here. I waited for this zone here to be cleared. After clearing this Asian high here and break structure here, I decided to pick this POI and sell from there. So I had another setup on Euro USD, but that Euro USD, okay, so this is the setup. So the Euro USD it didn't trigger and it's already pushing down. So thank God I'm on this gold. So let's see how this gold play out. Okay, so let me show you guys the trade on my MT5. So you will see this. Let's see. So this is the trade. Let's see. So let's see how this one goes. Let's see how it goes. I will definitely update you guys later. This trade might play out today or tomorrow. But no matter what the result is, I will definitely update you guys. Maybe today, later today, or tomorrow morning. This is already after 3. 3 minutes after 3, yeah. Alright guys, so good day everyone, I greet you. Today is Thursday already. And that's my yesterday trade on gold. Stopped me out this morning around 8 o'clock. So I'm out of that trade now. I lost 1%. And so my account now is down 2% as we speak. A little bit below 2%. I think the account balance is $4,916. So I'm down 2% now. Today is my last trading day, so if I see any good setup today, I might take the setup. But first of all, let's just go to the chart so I can show you guys the trade. Alright guys, so this is the trade on gold. As you can see, the trade just stopped me out this early morning. And for now, I haven't seen any setup. I haven't seen any good setup. So let's wait and see. But I don't think I'll be getting any good trade today. So I think, but anyhow, if I'm able to see a setup, then I will update you guys. But if I don't, that means it's over for this week. Now let me show you guys the trade. So this is the account balance. So total everything I lost about $55.30 on that trade because of the both commission and swap fee, everything. So, and this is my account balance. Let's see, $4,916. So I'm down 2%. Down 2%. And this is my first trade for this month of November. I started this month with a loss, but you never can tell. Let's see. let's see, we'll keep going and see how this month will be. So if I take any other trade today, you guys will see the clip. But if I don't, that means this week video will be ending here. So let's see. I'll update you guys. All right, guys. So this is after 3 Thursday. I was I've been on the chat since morning looking for a setup. So I finally saw a good setup on Euro USD. I just took the sell now. So this is my last trade for the week. I hope this one goes well, on Euro USD. So I will take you guys to the chart now. I'll show you guys the trade. Definitely this trade, this particular one, I'll be updating you guys about the outcome by tomorrow because I won't be able to do any recording today again. So I'll be updating you guys tomorrow morning about the outcome. But let me take you guys to the chart first so I can show you guys the trade and how it's looking now. Alright, so this is the trade on Euro USD. And I hope this one goes well. I just took the sell now. This is how the trade looks on my MT5. So this is the trade. Just took the sell now. So let's see how this one goes. I will update you guys by tomorrow about the outcome. See you guys. Alright guys, so today is Friday and I'm done for this week. The yesterday trade that I took on Euro USD, the trade hit SL. Lost 1% on that trade. I'll put the screenshots here so you can see after the trade and what I lost on that trade. I lost about $59 on that trade. I think it's because of spread and commission, everything. So total this week I lost about $112. On my account now, if you look here, you will see the account balance. I'm down 3% on that account now. So, and this week is over. I'm not going to take any trade today because now I take maximum of 2 trades per week. So we'll come back next week and we'll do our thing. Overall, this week was a good week for me. So it was an amazing week. To be honest, even though I lost the 2 trades I took this week, I'm still happy. I'm still happy because I was able to follow my rules. My setup was intact. Every criteria were met, just that I was not lucky. Just the market just decided to do its thing, and no matter what, losses are part of the game. Even though I've been on losing streak now, before I think beginning of last month I was on a losing streak. I had like 6 straight wins in a row. That was how I passed out my other account, the phase 1, and also get to phase 2. And this account that I'm trading now, that was when I also get this account to 9.5%. It was just remaining, 0.5% for me to pass the account, and now that account is down -3%. But it's okay. I just make sure I'm doing the exact thing. So I believe that next week will be better, and the market condition will also get better. Now, if I can just get 1 win to cover for all the losses, if I can get like 1:4 or 1:3, 1:5, and see. So that's why risk to reward is very important. I was trading 1:2 before, but at the time I said, let me increase it to 1:3. On my back testing, I found out that sometimes I had like 8 losses in a row. 8 losses in a row, 9 losses in a row. So, but sometimes while back testing, sometimes I catch 1:10, 1:12, you know. But when trading live, I find it hard to go for that kind of higher risk to reward. The highest I've caught live, I think, is 1:7. You know. But it's all good. We keep on doing what we believe is what is working for us, as in the result has shown us that this thing is going to be okay for my pattern, for my system. So I will keep doing it, I will also keep refining my strategy, adding one or two things. Like before this week, sorry guys, before this week, I was trading 5 times in a week. Any day I see my setup, I will take the setup. At a time, I kind of reduce it to, uh, 3 trades in a week, and I still reduce it to 2 trades in a week. Now, that is because of my journaling, because I journal everything in my trading. I journal everything. So looking at my journal and analyzing them, I see where the mistakes are coming. When I take a lot of trades, if the winnings are coming, it will be massive. But if the losses come, the losses will be massive too. So it's better I cut it, because sometimes the best trade you can take is just not to take any trade. Just focus on that. So now that I know that I have only 2 trades per week, I will make sure that any trade that I'm taking is worth it. So I will take that trade. If it's a win, I will take the win. If it's a loss, I will take the loss, and then move to the next one. Yesterday I didn't know that I would see a good setup, but at the time EURUSD presented that setup for me, and I took it, ended up in a loss. Though the trade gave me 1:2, more than 1:2 even before I came back to my stop loss. And before, I used to break even before. Once my trade moved 1:1.5, I break even. But now I've removed the break even, because if I go through my journal, all the trade that I break even, if I break even for the month like 4 times, 2 of them will go to TP and 2 of them will go to stop loss. And if that 2 of them that go to, if I leave them to play out, I'm still in profit, because the 2 is just going to, I will just lose like 2%. And the 2 that went to my TP, even if it's 1:2, 1:3, is 4%. So there's no need me breaking even. So that is why I removed the break even part. So I can just take my trade and let it run, whether win or lose. So I'll just check it out and see how my psychology resonates with it. If it doesn't work with my psychology, I'm still going to remove it. But if it works well, then I'm going to leave it there. Once I place my trade, I know that it's either TP or SL, at least. But once I take a trade, once the trade gets to 1:3, I can close automatically. I can close, because that is the minimum I go for. I might be targeting 1:4 or 1:5 or 1:6, but once it gets to 1:3, I can close the trade. Or I can break even. But if I want to break even, I will make sure I secure 3%. That is just it. So overall, for me, I think this week is an amazing week. It's a perfect week for me, a great week for me. I don't win anything, but I stick to my rule. I stick to my rule. I did everything I said I'm going to do this week, and it's an excellent week for me. So I'll catch you guys next week. If you haven't followed me yet, please, I want you guys to like and subscribe to this channel. I document all my tradings here, all my journey, everything is on this channel. I will catch you guys on the next one. See you guys next week, and I wish you guys a happy weekend and a profitable week ahead. See you guys.